what is the consequence if operator doesn't take action? Over pressurization. This is the action. This is the consequence.
Yes. You can copy also this one.
Mani, if it is part of if it is for if this alarm is part of the ASAP and SIL, it should be directly considered as high priority, Chairman.
Not directly. In the rule set, if you see, I will tell you. Just let me show you.
I think as for the SIL, it is there already there.
If you see in the seat in the TOR, this is the by definition, there is no need to give priority. If this is coming in this category, by default, this is the priority is equal here.
Chairman, AGS, what I'm telling that now, for example. You continue. Sorry, I will explain. I will share that.
Yeah.
Class to you.
Yeah, sure. So this is the we have taken. This, in fact, this is a scribe job, and that's okay. Okay. So guys, this is the consequence of inaction, and then we say what is the operator action? Operator has to investigate, but operator doesn't have time. But
Yeah, operator doesn't
investigate with the scenario of high pressure and take suitable action to prevent high pressure in the slack catcher. That's it. And the response time is less than 5 minutes, right?
Yes. It is again immediate.
Yes, immediate. So this is the ESD function. This is
process alarm.
Process alarm. Yeah. And what is category? Category here is 5B, 2B. We say 2B.
Yeah, it's B again. It's B.
Here I have to go for the health and safety, because of LOPC case.
Yeah, it's 5 there because see, we're talking about LOPC and it's a high S2S system.
Yeah. So then in this case, I have to go, here on medium high P1. Is it P1?
Yeah, I think what we are already mentioned, mostly P1.
For P1, yeah. I would go
because it is immediate and medium.
Yeah, this is immediate high, this is high, immediate measure. So this will be.
I think mostly for pressure systems, right?
Yes.